And let's come to our knees, sitting back on the heels. Reach the arms up and exhale forward, stretching the hands. Inhale, tabletop, and exhale, child's pose. Walking side to side, right side, left side, stretching out, right side, left side, waist. Slowly inhale up, interlock the fingers, push the palms toward the ceiling. And release back into table and exhale. Tuck the tailbone, cat, and arch the spine. Tucking and arching with each breath. Inhale, arch, exhale, tuck. On your next exhalation, sit back in child's pose. And then inhale again, table pose. Little round of the upper back, really stretch that space. Turn the toes, lift the hips. There's your down dog. First one, bend the right leg, left leg, tippy toe, tailbone toward the ceiling. Tippy toe, tailbone toward the ceiling. Separate the feet just a little. And now let's do a wide leg child's pose, sitting back on the heels.